Hello, everybody. This is Lab 2, Group 4. My name's Koby Campbell.
And I'm Sierra Angell.
And I'm Briana, Cowley.
Yeah, and we're going to be going through Lab 2 for ECEN 160.
All right, first off, this is the truth table that we were provided at the beginning of the lab that all our work came out of. And so next we have the equation. And as you can see, this is a 10-term equation. So obviously it needs to be simplified pretty drastically in order to reduce cost and space in the physical circuit and to make our jobs a lot simpler. So the easiest way to do this will be through a K-map. This is the initial K-map as it was first filled out. So now we look for our loops. The first loop, of course, is this top one up here with the 8 numbers, and it is equal to not C. The second loop is the 4 corners, so make sure you don't miss the fact that it's 4 corners and not just 2, because that will mess you up pretty quick. And this one is equal to not B and not D. So our final solution, when you put them all together, is you get X is equal to not B and not D or not C.
All right, so this is the implementation of that simplified circuit. So you've got not inverters here because everything was not B and not D or not C. So we've got an AND gate here to do not B and not D, and then an OR gate here to do OR not C. And that'll give you your output.
So this is part 5 of the lab, and this is just the 7400 IC, and so it's just another representation of the same circuit. So in the 7408 part, that's the AND gates. And then in the 7404, that is the NOT, that represents the NOT gate, and it's so we have a diagram over here to the side that just kind of shows the NOT gate. And then the 7432 represents the OR. So everything's here. So we have the NOT B, the NOT C, and the B NOT, the C NOT, and the D NOT, and we have the output. So
Right. So next we have the next part of the lab. We have Lab 2, Part 6, and this is where you took the first equation, not using the 7400 libraries, and converted them to the NAND gates because we learned that those are like universal gates and can be used for any equation.
mm-hmm.
And so this is what it came out to after I simplified it. So you still have the same basic deal. You've got not B, not D, or not C. And this is using only NAND gates.
So this is the NAND gates just within the 7400, the library that was given to us. And it's just the same basic circuit, but I think it looks a little nicer, a little more condensed. We have our B naught, C naught, D naught, and the output, and we have the inside of the 7400 over here on the right left corner.
That's Lab 2. Hopefully you guys got through everything with no problems, and we welcome your feedback. Thanks.